Dear do Sonny a Badwam Kasoa, and some in the Obetia will move in Kasoa Tema. A drop 4 ya one more far Winnibar Tema motorway the sono was a about by yet tollbooths on a dear. Any extra quine more let me aboa ama traffic and all Badwam over to San Seminimo in Chimu. Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama so I say over here now shumgi papa bi akoswatna o may mo no nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam Kasoa o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV Aya 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTuber search Adom TV Tube ko adomonline.com nsem we ni bebre so e wo ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie Adrobo 4 ya womofa Kasoa Winnibar ne Tema motorway no so no sa bai chimo post tollbooths osade eba no eye wode ba de ne wonhwe na ehonom no so wontretremu sebe ya traffic aya na ebope so wo ho no ebeba fom
o se de aya ne de ase ebi abubububu yeso mo siesie man ansa amoda ba
to ni ha no ebse ye niam bebre yakwan yakwan ye yes springs bubu niam bebre ye ka maintenance ni ade lack of maintenance ni ade police for high adwen nyina ye yakwan ye enye mejiri se no wo ho no ye disika no bi siesie kwan na beboa ye
komu ye ma ye ka be fine but chi traffic dodo
using central esan eto aso ekọ Tema tollbooth e wo ho no e won so ye kopie mu e wo ho no mom ye hwe de tollbooth no enso aye omanfo e wo ho bi ene Adom using central etwetwe nkomo no ensem a wo mo de tu dwa no mom ye ntie bi
tollbooth de na e bo become me mechanic na me shop around
to wo ho a omu ti ato no wi a omu ba jina ato ade ma e kakra to no we de mi amaka te no kwa de ba pan waka
Bedin at the Prince Owusu Esiedu Adom News
Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama gusode to security agencies ni nyina nim so omo nkoso anya dwumaden mo mayi ho eban no achi so abo wono mabaso na no aba ya tuwie ya asumdue guso edi dwuma no nyuma pa wo yeye enso eka ho bi kase no etwaso
7th immediately after the inauguration, but as you know, we're overwhelmed by visitors, and some of those who came on the 7th left just a few days ago. They enjoyed Ghana so much that they were not in a hurry to leave. But I want to thank you for the good work. This last election has cemented our reputation as the leading democracy in Africa, and a good part of the thanks go to you, the security services, who have maintained the peace.
Onipa wojina bambo jumeku ya hodo impanyufo enim ekasaye eye Chief of the Defense Staff Lieutenant General Thomas Opompepra and awode to omampanyi enim say,
Mr. President, I want to assure you that we are going to continue with even greater zeal to ensure that we maintain the security and stability of this country. I want to assure you of our unflinching support and dedication, as I said, to duty, and make sure that we help you to achieve or realize your objective of resetting Ghana.
Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama ne guso kasai ne sembi woka eyesa sumdue ebedi ehin wo boko ene ne mpotamo ochiremu sebra no obonto ana na oka so wonya banwa no a obehwe se be adwuma ti wakoho ede nsema hudwe atudwa.
Boko and surrounding areas were very peaceful, and work was going on. People were going about their duties. It's sad that this situation has occurred again. And I know that for the last 3 years, you have not been able to sleep. You've been living under stress. And so the priority of our government will be to bring peace back to Boko so that everybody can go about his duties without fear of harassment. We want to assure you that we're putting in place the various appointments so that we can have ministers and other officials who are responsible for the security to take charge. And so within this week, we will do the appointments of the Minister of Defense, the Minister of Interior, the National Security Advisor, the National Security Coordinator, the BNI Director, and all the others. And when these appointments are made, I'm going to charge them to make Boko one of the #1 priorities that they attend and deal with. And so I'll appeal to you to exercise patience, exercise restraint, and to let you know that I am apprised of the issue. I'm going to deal with it, and I can assure you, have trust in myself and this administration.
Ghana National Fire Service na ne one day and she mu du to na kwan so ne tichu ewo yedwa hodo no emu a esi afufufuro mu nom ne ade a eja hyehye basa sa na ekoso no onwa ye se won bebo ban ewo ho se bi obi kura na hyeda na anadwo bi a wodi jakoto ho no a safo no otumi anya won kase no etoso.
Anamontu a Ghana National Fire Service etunu eyade a womo ehwese eja hyehye a ekoso ewo edwemu ho ewo mamu ano etimi abrase womo de atodwa se efiri na ekono womo ede womo enipa akọ eye edwemu ewo mamu hanina efiri anadwo kopem anopa de bia na saafue ebehwese womo bema wonini akọ ahwe niema bi ebetimi ede eja hyehye aba na eno no womo etusu anamo entem womo asan ede abetudwa se womo ebehwese womo ebebie eye fire unit ene post awodo ewo edwedi awodo mu ewo mamua na bere na bere bia no edwomu ho no womo bedi akoniaba ahwese eja safety protocols no womanfo ede ye adwuma we ni na chi no womo besan ede report ede akoma womo empenifo ede bia adwuma womo ebeye no.
Wa Adom TV Badwam Kasoa eso na Adom Traditional Council mpanifo ene de wano ato ensamwana no da oyene bi ne basabasa bi ekoso nam so nipa bi ekoto hye Electroham Ghana Limited for eso no entwaye nananom kasa mu no kire se de akwa abonten no enya ne papa so nti se bi a obi pese ode ne jetire bi kura be hyemu a ne asie no wanhra na atwentwen ase nti eno so ebema mpuntu ewo adane ne mpotemu no akachiri anansam no eni.
Actions of the NDC members and some ASLA members in the traditional area has the tendency to send wrong signals to the business community and potential investors that lawlessness and impunity will be part of the business climate and culture in the Adom traditional area.
Operations Manager Emma Electrochem Ghana Limited and so added to just say
yes, we've not done any arrests because we need to compile everything that took place. Don't forget that I told you that we have the footages. People coming in, we know assemblymen, we know very prominent people that entered that the camera captured. Yes. What happened when it happened? We went to the police station to do an official complaint, and because of that, I believe in no time, yes, the law will take its course. But as we are speaking to you now, we have not done any arrest.
Executive Chairman Tema Jospon Group of Companies, Dr. Joseph Sian, Japan, na waka study na juma na ya krado. Swan mo ebeta ban echi so de nyuma ebeba o maimo no ye Zoom Lion djumekuo no so aye krado so mbeta echi kase no edeba
ye djuma no so ye de ta na echi 24-hour economy na ode aba no ya de papa nti ye wa ha ikura ya start ya ye sesa ye ball asesa ne se ye besese bia anadwo ye besese bia awia ya sese bia nopa be bia traffic wo na de nyina no wo ye bia anadwo abeboa nti President Mahama yi kira owo no ye sra do nyankopon se awurade mmoa no no ma na hoodene na yi kira ne nurse ye ba na mu bo na baso se wo sha ase eye realignment of the ministries eno kra kire se kwa shedwuma papa senti ye bo na baso na afi ye kire de se Zoom Lion any Jospon group ye ta na chi ade bia e fa ball ho ye sha ase 2006 near the tricycle na nye na anyame adom ama ye tracks no ama ye treatment plan say ye
Bayanto akase no so na 9th parliament ye de one more afa entity in a 49 mo sebe ya titu one afa no wawura mu no ombehu se de adwuma ne te e wo parliament house.
Wabwa hen pa because yemu binom yeba foforo no na yenyim kakra but yenyim pi nti 4 days ndan na ya wabe wonye na ko mosma yeba kasa wo parliament mosma yeba dress yankasa yen our friend and security always watch hen constitution no mu embrana wode boma ni nyina watch hen mu
eno achi mrahye bedwani a wono so gina ma omafo wo so homo personal so Frank esi edu bakoi enso so the piece say
baby afofra I was over the offer the team so we training and wedding afternoon so far now I think say a bit here my young so I also have Kasoa any constituency so interacting how to prioritize our activities and all that and then I think the Kasoa also papa
Abinyina no so na Adom TV Badwam Kasoa na ha na bema kwan anopa ye DC aseda ne ye wodia emre ne adaje a wode hwe yen se wo kode Awurade mfa nkomra somdwem ne mum ye bese se wo ko YouTube a wo search Adom TV tube a ye wo ho dwumade no guso etwa so ma yentwe ye ho besima yimra ne ye ba de wo bonkrata na online de no wo ho ye de betwa so mede afia amankwa tamaklo